SEO analysis. Like if your focus keyword is unique, yes, it is. Like focus keyword is used in the meta title, yes. Then if you see the meta description has. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Cody. Today we are going to see how to do the search engine optimization for your Shopify website. Also, in my previous video, I had shown you how to start dropshipping business on Shopify. So, by watching this tutorial, you will be able to optimize your Shopify website so that it will drive traffic and it will increase the sale on your Shopify website. So, it will help you in drop shipping and also to sell normal products. But before starting with the tutorial, if you are new on my channel, then please go ahead and please subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications related to my new videos. So let's talk about what is search engine optimization. Basically, search engine optimization helps your website to rank higher on the search results. For example, if a customer searches for a product on Google and if you are selling that particular product on your Shopify store and if your website is properly optimized, then chances of your website getting ranked higher in the search result is more. So let's see how do we do search engine optimization on the Shopify store. For that, we need to install a third-party app, and for that we need to click on apps and then we need to click on recommended apps. Now over here you need to click on this link, Shopify App Store. So this is going to open the Shopify App Store for us. Yeah, there we go. Now over here we need to search SEO. So enter this keyword and search for it. Then we need to look out for an app called Store SEO, Smart SEO Optimizer. So open this app. So if you see, it has the rating of 4.9, which is really good, and it has 12 reviews. They also have a free plan. So under the free plan, you can get optimization for 50 products. Then you get SEO analysis for products, blogs, and pages. You also get suggestions for fixing the SEO issues. Then you get help in image alt text, enabling sitemap. Then you get unlimited text and also you get social preview. And their basic plan starts from $level per month and it goes till $249.99 per month. Now let's click on add app button. So this is going to install the app for us. But now we are going to get a screen which will ask for the permission that this app is accessing on the Shopify store. So now let's click on install app. Now the app will be successfully installed and you are going to see the dashboard of that particular app once it gets successfully installed. So let's wait for some time so that it gets successfully installed. So there we go. It shows us a page wherein it's telling us to go for a particular plan. So let's go for this free plan. So I have subscribed to their free plan. So now I need to click on checkout. So there we go. We have successfully subscribed to the free plan. Once that is done, you are going to see the information about your store. That is the store URL, and then you need to select the type of industry your website is in. So I'll select other. So you need to select the industry as per your business vertical. It falls in particular category. So next, then you get SEO settings page. It tells you to basically to keep existing settings or to choose a template for product meta. So this should be as it is. If you want to make changes, then you can do, but I'll suggest you should not make changes over here. So let your SEO product title be the same. Then let's click on next. Then you're going to get analysis page. Over here, if you see, the analysis score is 50. So it is poor. So this is the SEO score that they have given us. So if you see, the number of products we have three, and all three products have some of the other SEO issues. That's why the score is 50. Now let's click on next. Then we'll get the optimization screen. Over here, if you see, they have given us some suggestion, possible suggestions for optimization. They are telling us that need meta title of like within 70 characters, then need product description within 50 to 300 words, then your images need all text, then you need meta description within 165 characters. So if you click on auto fix, then it is going to fix the issues for you. And there we go. The SEO issues have been successfully fixed. So now we can go on dashboard. So they have basically automatically redirected me on the dashboard. Now if you see, the overall score is 50%, which is okay, and it shows in green color. Then it shows that there are three SEO issues. Then if you scroll down, you can see the products which are there on a Shopify store, and it tells you there are like six issues, seven issues, or whatever issues which are there. And it also shows a particular score for each product. You can fix these issues by clicking on fix button over here. Now if you see at the right side, you can see the score. So now let's scroll down. If you see, it tells you like a basic SEO analysis, like if your focus keyword is unique, yes it is. Like focus keyword is used in the meta title, yes. Then if you see, the meta description has issues, so our meta description is might be more or less, so that's why it is giving us the issue. Now let's go to the image alt text. Over here, if you see, image alt text is missing. So let's add it. Sure. Click on save changes. As soon as we added the alt text, if you see, the SEO score has improved. Then we have social media preview. Over here, if you see, social media preview is proper. But yeah, also for Facebook, it is adding. If you want a separate image, then you can select one. Now, under general SEO only, so if you see, we have fixed these issues already. Previously, when we had got that on screen wherein it had told us to fix SEO issues, it had fixed the issues for us. Like our title is within like 50 to 70 characters, and also our meta description is within the 165 characters. So this is how we fix the SEO issues on the Shopify store. So guys, if you like this video, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get notifications related to my new videos. Till then, signing off from this video. Thank you.